Order for Handsome Mother Trucker.
That'll be me. Thanks.
You're welcome. Would you like another strawberry lemonade?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the...
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, and we back in this motherfucker, baby. As you noticed on the last vlog, we dropped off in Greensboro, North Carolina. Today we picking up in WYTHEVILLE, Virginia. And we heading to Indianapolis, Indiana, baby. And right now, we finna go get us a shower, get all cleaned up, throw some more clothes on, baby, get us something to eat. We're gonna be ready to rock and roll, man. Take a ride with the WYTHEVILLE. I'll take a strawberry lemonade.
Sure thing. I'll be right back.
Okay. Yeah, I think this tastes. How y'all think this tastes? Let's see. I might do something simple like some chicken tenders or something, you know. Kinda in a rush, but then I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I think I'm ready now. Okay. I'm gonna do the, I think it's eggs over my hammy.
The moons
over my hammy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get, the pancakes come in 2 or 3? Two. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 pancakes.
Okay. Is hash browns okay with
Just
you?
fine.
Alrighty. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It'll be right out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Order for Handsome Mother Trucker.
That'll be me. Thanks.
You're welcome. Would you like another strawberry lemonade?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
One hour later.
Man, your boy just got done eating good, man. Now we about to get some gas. Go over to this Blue Beacon, get this trailer washed out. And we gonna head over here to WYTHEVILLE, Virginia, y'all. Pick up this Gatorade load. And we heading to Indiana. Indianapolis, Indiana, baby. Let's roll. Alright guys, so we're at the Blue Beacon. We don't have too many trucks in front of us. It's probably about, I got about 2 in front of me, and you know, they working out of 2 bays, so it's always good when 2 bays operating and not just one. But we don't need nothing but a trailer washout, going to Gatorade. Just having integrity, man. I like to, you know, clean my trailers out before I drop it off somewhere.
A few moments later.
MURPHY. 3051. R106. 121. You too, thank you. Yeah, whenever you see me right here, you already know what time it is, baby. Time to get some free. I'm gonna do tractor and Def. No cash advances. No cash advances, baby. Man, well, you find this a mother. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA. 6 number, 691-97250. Yeah. You want high today? I'm good. Got some strong wind out here. What we do? Yes, sir. I appreciate you. Have a good one. All right. Well, let's go get this trailer, y'all. Alright guys, we all dropped from the empty. Now we're heading over here to get our loaded, baby. Let's Rizzo. I remember what I said. I only bag up under it just enough. So it looks like we gotta jack the trailer down. It's too high. We're gonna take the crankshaft and we're gonna jack the trailer down, baby. Let's get it. Check that out. That look way much better. Whatever's in this motherfucker, it's heavy, man. It's heavy. But we got it down though. Now we can bag up under the trailer with no issues. We're gonna be flush. No gap between the fifth wheel and the trailer, baby. Damn. It just woke me the hell out. All right, so now we can go ahead and let both the legs up. We can let both the legs all the way up now. All right, we're gonna slide our tanders, but I'm gonna do that step last, y'all. Y'all already know how tandem goes. I showed y'all that already. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna make sure we're gonna pre-trip the truck, make sure everything good. So let me get my rubber mallet, because one of my subscribers told me I need to use my mallet. So let me get my mallet, man. I've already checked that, no gaps in between my fifth wheel and trailer. I've already checked my locking bar back there as well. Light right here checked. Okay, we're gonna take our mallet and we're gonna find a little soft spot. All right. All right, tires check. Mud flap secure. Light check. Light check. Marker light. Marker light. Marker light. Mud flap secure. Check. I'm gonna tell y'all another little trick too, y'all. Just because you pull up somewhere and you get you a trailer and you might have like a wobbly tire or something like that, man, that don't always mean your tire is flat. I think I said this in one of my videos before. Sometimes it means it's just been sitting for a while. It needs to be aired up. You already have like your self-inflated tires, air inflation things on here. These things right here, they inflate air in your tires when you drive. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes this is what you just have to do. It don't always be a flat tire, baby. Word to the wise. So how many of y'all thought I did all that talking just to forget to secure my bag? Man, I can say 100 words an hour. Guess what? I ain't gonna never forget to secure my bag, baby. That's how I eat. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're on the 10th hole. We got 45,000 pounds right here. 45,000 pounds. That's what we're gonna keep it at until we go scale our load, baby. Two family, at least y'all got to saw me pick up the load, baby. Yeah, what I just did. Man, I just broke my mount, y'all. I just broke my mount. So, hey man, that's gonna end for the vlog, man. Like I said, we heading to Indianapolis. If I decide to kind of show y'all some little stuff when I get there, I'll do that. But for right now, man, ain't no more vlogging of the road, baby. So, hey, man, we out to Indianapolis. I'm so sorry about that. Damn.
6 hours later.
Look the little turtle, y'all. Ha ha. Alright guys, we done made it here. Let's go check in. Hey, how's it going? I'm doing pretty good. Got a drop off for you.
Alright. Drop off in spot 129 if you can, if not, we're making it.
Gotcha. Alright, thank you. We all checked in. We dropping off in 129. And if it ain't no spot in 129, he said drop off wherever we can, baby. And I ain't got no problem with that. Let's roll.
A few moments later.
What it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, man. We back in this sucker. Got the load dropped off. Made it to Indianapolis safely. Got our paperwork signed, which means we got paid for the load. So I'm just about to unconnect from the truck. Take my lock off the back of it. You know what I'm saying? Check out the scene though, y'all. Little pun right there. But finna take my lock off the back of the trailer, man, and it's gonna be a done deal, y'all. Like I said, I wanna appreciate everybody for tuning in, riding with your boy. I wanna give a special shout out to all my brand new subscribers. Everybody who just, riding along with your boy. We got more content on the way. We starting to get a little more creative. You know what I'm saying? Starting to get into my bag a little more. But man, until next time, baby. Peace.